What's up, guys? Today we are looking at the 12-foot auto locking hydraulic dovetail. This one is on an FMAX 212. We've actually been using this trailer. It's been used to haul some hay and things around, so don't mind it. It's a little bit dirty, but that's because it was doing work. The 12-foot hydraulic dove, the design that we have here, was developed at the end of 2017 for the 2018 release of the engineered beam lineup of gooseneck trailers primarily. What we did at that point was took the previous design and all the complaints and crappy user experience that hydraulic doves had had for many years, not ours, just ours, but pretty well all the brands out there, and really worked on optimizing the dovetail. What were the pain points? Number one, load angle. They were super steep, 14, 15 degrees. So the 12-foot long dovetail, being able to stretch it like that where everybody else's is 9 and 10s, gives you a much better 12.5 degree load angle, letting you load a wider variety of vehicles and equipment on the dovetail. Number two was weight capacity. On this dovetail, you can haul 10,000 pounds of weight distributed the length of the dovetail, enabling you to use the whole trailer versus the other guys. They have prorated weight restrictions, so you can lift 8,000, but you can only have 4,000 in the first 4 feet or 8,000 in the first 4 feet, and really eliminating all of this working area, and it just wasn't acceptable. So in this design, it was super cool. The next thing is it comes with a wireless control. Every hydraulic dovetail from Diamond C comes with one of these, and the reason why we do that is to make it much safer. When you're loading a piece of equipment, say the back tires of your tractor are still in the dove and you don't want to get off at that point, obviously, you can take the wireless control and be able to easily lower the hydraulic or raise the hydraulic dovetail with you on the equipment, or lower it just the same when you're out here working around the trailer. It also comes with a corded remote in the box so that you can use that one as well if you don't have the wireless control. The wireless key fob is good because, like this, you put it on a set of keys, you can have it in the truck, take it with you. This will go to sleep for a safe mode, so if you put it in your pocket, you don't have to worry about it activating going down the road. Then to wake it up, you simply press 1 and 2, hold for about 7 seconds, it'll wake it up and you can begin to use it again. The hydraulic dovetail comes just like you see. This is standard form. It has the Blackwood runners for traction, which works great in different conditions. Then you also have over your tire covers, and at your transition piece at the end, you have the 5/8 square stock cleats for traction. There's also a couple of other traction options available. You can do full diamond plate all the way with no cleats, then you can do full diamond plate with cleats. Couple of different options depending on the work you need to do. You can jump on our website and outfit a FMAX or an SDX or a PX with the hydraulic dovetail, many other options to make one your own.